What is going on, YouTube? Over here at Dothan Nurseries, we're just looking for some pots for some of the new flowers. You know, one of the nice things about doing this channel is, look, there's a lot of really stressful things going on out there. There's a lot of doom for sure, rightfully so. We're in trouble as a nation. But what's nice about like where we've moved and what we're doing is it just puts balance in our life, which I think is really important for anybody to have balance in your life. And for us, it's just fixing up the house, planting a garden, having the vegetables, having flowers, having some trees, all the fruit trees we planted and all that. Keeps us busy, and it's just productive. And those plants produce things like food, and the flowers, they just produce positive, to me, a positive environment, positive energy. So we're just out here looking at some pots for some of the plants that we picked up in the past few days. And while we're out here, I just want to show you this beautiful koi pond they have here. We were really amazed by the fish that they have here. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at some of these guys. Look at some of these guys. Look at that. Is that beautiful? I love koi ponds. If you guys have one, let me know. Something I wouldn't mind having someday in the future. I just love animals. We have reptiles, we have cats, we have dogs. We obviously have a lot of birds on the property, but this is just so cool. I even as a kid, I just used to love koi ponds and feeding the fish. So incredible. But really a nice little setup they have here. So they've got the water running through this little man-made creek right here. And the fish look really, really healthy. So just want to show this to you. It's just so beautiful. But again, it's just, you know, putting balance in your life, just having life on your property, the fish, the birds, all this stuff. It's to me healthy. But again, it's balance in your life. You gotta be preparing, no doubt about it. But we're in bad shape as a nation, economically, spiritually, physically, but you got to have balance in your life too. So, you know, if you're prepping, you're preparing, God bless you, but also make sure that you have balance in your life, that you're spending time with family, that you're doing something that you enjoy doing, that you have a passion. I think it's extremely important. And that's one of the great things about this channel is, you know, I can do some things that I find positive, that I find really therapeutic, because this stuff will eat you up. I mean, there's just so much going on between the war, the economy, the division in the nation, what's happening politically, all this stuff. So you can't let it eat you up 24 hours a day. And look, it's very, very important to be following this stuff and preparing for what's coming, 100%. But you got to take a little bit of time out of the day and add some balance and have something positive in your life, chase a passion, you know, have a hobby, get out of the house and take your mind off things for an hour out of the day or a couple hours out of the day. You know, everybody works, everybody's following what's happening, you know, to the country, and we're all concerned, and you need to be preparing. But you also need to be taking a little bit of time out of the day for yourself, spending time with family, friends, and adding that balance. Extremely important. You know, whether it's doing a little fishing or going for a hike, riding a bike, just having a nice dinner with your family, whatever, you know, just do whatever you got to do to, you know, get rid of some of that stress and add some balance. I think it's really, really important. But for me, it's just nature, and it's just for us, we're pretty much homebodies. We spend most of our time at home. And so for us, having animals around and plants and the garden, all that, extremely important. That's kind of our way of adding balance. So just the lifestyle and where we live really puts balance in our life because we're just surrounded by nature. So, but that doesn't mean, like, if you live in an apartment or a condo or whatever, do something that you can, you know, add something positive, adding that balance to your life, taking a little break from the world. That doesn't mean to just forget about everything and not prepare. You need to be preparing because a lot is happening right now that's going to affect each and every one of us. Make sure to check out my other channel, Jeremiah Babe. We're going to talk about those things that are going to affect each and every one of us, like the debt. And this is why it's so important to, if you can, I believe, get to a small town, small city, rural, or a safer part of the country, and be preparing. Be preparing, but have balance. Anyway, stay tuned, more to come. So just came over to another nursery, PC's Nursery. Some really nice stuff here too. Some of the nurseries out here are just really, really nice. But I'm going to take a look at a few things here. We're just looking for some pots, but you never know if there's something really cool that we could add to the property. They actually have some really nice pots here that we're going to have to pick up for some of the plants that we've acquired. Yeah, that'd be really nice for the clay pot. Yeah, some of the stuff is, you could spend thousands of dollars quite easily at a place like this. Some of the stuff is just so cool. The pots, the fountains, the trees, the plants. I mean, just really, really cool stuff. Love coming to places like this. So you got all their trees back there. But some really gorgeous nurseries out here. And there's another one about 10 minutes from here that's really, really big. I don't know, I doubt we'll go out there today, but just checking out some of this stuff here in Dothan. You just never know what you're gonna find. Comment down below, anybody been doing a little landscaping at their house, gardening? Stuff's not cheap. I mean, just, you know, tomato plants and cucumber plants and all that stuff for the garden, expensive. All the trees, all the peach and plum trees that we planted, tangerine, lemon, lime. I did get a really good deal at the flea market on a bunch of them. It was a really, really good deal. But if you're shopping anywhere else than the flea market, whew, get ready to pay up. You could be shopping at Home Depot, Lowe's, and the nurseries. The nurseries are the most expensive for sure. But Lowe's and Home Depot didn't really have any pots, so we had to come out to these private nurseries, see what they have, and they definitely have a better selection for sure, higher quality. It's really, really cool stuff. Oh, this is cool. Oh yeah, that's cool. This is cool. How does what do?
The spider plant.
Yeah, yeah. So pretty nice selection of pots over here. Take a look at a few of these. Very cool. We got some small trees, plants that we want to plant on the porch. So some pretty cool stuff. Oh, those are nice too. Yeah, I like all these. Yeah.
Yeah, for that cane tree, because it's top heavy though, we need something.
Yeah, what's up, buddy? Where's the other one? Take off? What's up? Pretty orange, huh? So we're just driving through a new development here called the Reserve. Pretty house they're putting up. I don't know how many homes are going to go up in this development here, but it's a really nice house, good size house. Good size house. So these are some of the homes and developments coming up out in the, I think we're somewhere in Houston County right now. I don't know how many homes are going to put up here, but it's going to be a good sized development out here. Oh, here's another one back here. Let's check this out for you. So we were just driving to another landscaping or another nursery joint and came across this, so they're putting up a couple right now. I don't think this is as big as the other one, but it's a good 3,000 square feet plus. That other one's probably about 4,000, a little over. This one's probably a little over 3,000. Good size house. Really going to be a nice looking house. So there are definitely some beautiful homes out here in the South. Old homes, you know, 100 years old that have been just redone. And then some of the new stuff out here, some of these like custom homes or high-end developments, they're building these beautiful brick homes out here. So not sure what these are going to cost, but this is called the Reserve. So we just got to a place called Buds and Blossoms. We got Sasquatch right here. Been to this place one other time. It's huge. They have a lot of really cool plants here, trees, really beautiful place. So we're going to check it out. Take a little walk, get a little exercise, and see if we see anything interesting here. Still, we picked up 2 pots at the other place. See if there's anything cool here. Let you know. But how cool. Another koi pond. Very cool. Hey, how you doing?
I'm well. How are y'all doing?
Real good. That's cool. Very cool. This place is enormous. You could definitely spend a couple hours here looking at stuff. But we are the only ones here. Very cool place. Buds and Blossoms. Yeah, this place just goes on and on. These are all trees in the back. Wow. Yeah, this thing goes way back. So these are pretty mature trees for sale. Sure, they're quite expensive. It just goes way back, just rows and rows of trees. Yeah. Massive inventory at this nursery. Massive. So a long day, but we're heading back out. Me and Turbo are going to go over to Rural King, do a little walk, get some more steps in today. Yeah, pick up some little bones or something for the entire crew. Bring them back so everybody's got something to do tonight. But yeah, figure we just head back out one more time, get a little exercise in, and pick these guys up some bones. It's a beautiful evening, so why not? Look at that. Feel gorgeous out, right? So we're heading out, and I hope everybody's doing well. Just sharing what we're doing today here. We run a lot of errands, and we get a lot of bones for these dogs. But it's just a beautiful evening. Thought we'd get out and get off the X a little bit and get a little exercise in, and maybe get something to eat afterwards. So that's about it. Also, I got to get these trash cans out. It's trash day tomorrow, so I'm going to take care of that. Talk to you in a bit. So just got to Rural King. Going to get a couple steps in with Turbo. Funny enough, we had a Houston County sheriff, I believe he's a deputy, not sure, but he was in a Houston County sheriff vehicle, and he pulled up, and he said that he watches the show, him and his wife, every night. It was so cool. I didn't catch his name, but if you're watching, I'm sure we'll meet up again. But how cool is that? Houston County Sheriff just rolling down the window, pulling up and saying hi. So that's really, really cool. You know, I love law enforcement. Law enforcement out here has been great. I've had some really good friends in law enforcement in California, but I've been blessed and honored to meet a lot of law enforcement out here that do watch the channel. So sorry I didn't catch your name. Maybe you said it, I didn't hear it, but God bless. Thanks for saying hi. I'm sure we'll meet up again. Anyways, going to get a couple steps in here at Rural King. It's a beautiful, beautiful evening. Look at this beast right here. Come on, get down, boy. All right, sit, stay. You be a good boy. Be under control, right? You be a good boy. You be a good boy. Yeah, sit, stay. All right. This is his favorite store. He likes Lowe's, he likes Home Depot, but Rural King is his favorite. So I figured I'd give him a treat tonight and take him out for a little walk and get him a bone. So we're gonna head out. You stay. And here we go. Anyways, I probably won't film this. I just want to get a couple steps in and just chill out, let him walk. But anyways, to the deputy, sheriff that just said hi. Good to see you. God bless. Be safe out there. We're going to get some steps in. You ready, big boy?